Hi, Angela here from Connect Marketing, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to build Linktree style pages in Konnected CRM. So first of all, let's take a look at what is a Linktree and why do we need to have one. So the problem with most of our social media accounts is the ability to only upload one link to your bio or profile. And we mostly use that for our website. Then a bio link tool, just like the Linktree pages, came along where you can create a landing page full of buttons and icons. So you can just use one link across our social media accounts and it opens up to multiple links, which is a really cool service. But we can also build this one. You can also build a similar Linktree page very easily to your Konnected CRM. So you don't have to pay for that extra service when you need to. And if you need to update your link, you can just easily navigate to your CRM tool. So the key takeaway of using a bio link is it allows you to house multiple links in one link and put in your social media accounts, or even send that link to your contacts. So let's take a look at here on how to create a Linktree page very easily, very quickly inside Konnected. Okay, so to start, let's go over to Sites, go to Website, and create a new page. So let's name this page Link Bio. Then create a new page. Let's name this as links. Then path, it could be your name or it could be a general one like bio or links. So it's up to you on what domain you're using. Then let's edit the page. Okay, next let's create the page. Let's see what themes that we can, or a sample that we can have. I think this is good. We can showcase, if you have a video that you want, you can showcase on your Linktree page. So let's try and replicate this. So first is we have a profile picture, your handle name, a video, and some links. So let's go to your page again. Let's put a row. Let's edit the width since we are mostly using this for a mobile device, on your mobile device. So I think that's good. Add an image. You can use your business logo or your profile image. So let's use this profile image. So this will be your personal bio link pages. Let's resize this to a smaller one. I think that's okay. Add some effects. Now on our sample profile or page, the image is in a circular design. So on your image radius, just click circle. So it's too white now. The background is too white. So let's select a background color. So how about a lighter color? Right. Then let's add our handle name, or let's just say, then you can add more information in here if you want to. So I'm just gonna put a tagline in here. So you can edit the spaces in between lines, in between these texts, using advanced and line height. So there. Then let's add our video. I'm just gonna grab the links in here for a moment. So for the video, I'm gonna put the URL. Then next, I'm gonna add the buttons. So first, I'm gonna do a subscribe button. So I'm gonna put here subscribe to YouTube. Then I'm gonna select a theme. So I'd like to color our button similar as to the YouTube brand color. I'm gonna put a border radius of about 10 pixels. I'm just gonna disable the border. All right, so now we have a curved button. And I'm gonna add some spaces on the bottom as well. So set the margin bottom to around 20. Just gonna type that one. Okay, then each button would have a different text length. So what I'm going to do is go to advanced, set the full width into fill width. So it's gonna take up the whole width of the row. So this button is too close with our video, so I'm gonna add a space at the bottom of the video as well. So go to margin bottom again and set it to 20 pixels. There you go. Then next, I'm just gonna recreate these buttons and copy. Just copy that. So next button, I will add the website. Check my website. And I can also recolor the button. Let's try this one. Then add my link. So I'm just gonna grab my link. Oops, this is the subtext. Right, so I'm gonna go to link to website URL, paste your website link, and make sure to enable the open in new tab. Then next I'm gonna do, so if you have some offers in here, like free courses, a free book, you can also add it in here. So I'm gonna put here our free book. So let's just say grab a free copy. And I'm gonna add the title of the ebook on the subtext. So our free ebook is called Online Lead Generation Playbook. Alright, then I'm gonna put the link for the free book. Then open a new tab again. So do this one, do the same thing to the rest of your buttons. Then next, I can also add here another column. Set the width to similar to the column above it, which is at 40. There you go. Then I'm gonna add some buttons in here that only has the icon. So to add the icon, go to icon picker. So I'm gonna select Facebook. Set the background to transparent. Set the color to the color that you want. So let's just select blue, remove the text so it only has your icon. Then edit the font size. So edit the font size for both mobile and desktop. All right. Then you can add the links in here similar to what we did with the buttons. So I'm just going to replicate this again. Let's do 4. So the other one would be LinkedIn. So I'm going to update the icon and change it to LinkedIn. And I'm going to do another one in here. I want to have a booking calendar. And I want to do an email as well. There. So on your column settings, go to content alignment. Set the content alignment to horizontal. Then we can move this. You can adjust the width even smaller so it's close together, so the icons are close together. So there you go. Now you have a bio link page. So click save. So once you're done creating this, it's now time to put a link to it. Okay, so on your website settings, go to the domain and update it. So make sure to add your domain first on your CRM settings, then select the domain and click save. So we are using a personal domain for our link bio page. So just go to settings and make sure to set the home page of this domain to your link bio page. So now let's take a look at your link bio page on your mobile device. And there you have it. You have now created your own Linktree page created quickly on your Konnected CRM account. So you can put in your website link, social media links, campaign links, calendar page, contact information, and many more.